This is phenomenal. It's a little crowded in the bowl, and it spilled on my Tim's, my formal shoes. I'm from Brooklyn. My formal shoes are Tim's.
Number one looks more brothy.
Visually already, the color palette of my hands.
Now, first impressions, I love when a soup has like a skin on top. It makes me feel comfortable.
I don't know enough about chicken and dumplings, but the texture is kind of just perfect for my grandparents.
That's very good.
And I'm getting a lot of chicken stock, a lot of chicken flavor. It's not too salty, but you get a hint of salt.
That's really good, actually. I would have this all weekend if I'm sick.
Everything's working together. It's like one, it tastes uniformly as one, not as like separate stuff. It's all really delightful.
I wish that there was a little bit more flavor to this chicken and dumpling. It's like a little bit like chicken soup, if you would.
A boiled chicken is rather boring without any seasoning on it. In the context of that soup, that's really delightful.
The doughiness part, I'm still like on the fence. You getting that slurp?
Number two is just a little thicker. There's more stuff in here.
Number two looks like spicier somehow if there's paprika in there.
A little veggie. Doc, look, I'm doing it.
It has a lot more than the first dish.
This is good. I like the addition of the carrot. Looks like a little bit of celery maybe.
What's really weird, as much as I was hating on the undercooked doughy parts of that, I kind of missed that here.
Because there's so much in here, there's like less room for liquid. I mean, if you're a soup, I'm here for some liquid. I'm here for a mixture.
I don't enjoy this dumpling. It's breaking apart. It's not whole. It's breaking apart like flour. It's just breaking apart, just with a small pinch. I don't even have to chew it.
The color is better here. There's more cohesive flavors in there, but it's all window dressing. This is a blanket in a bowl. So I'm going to pick number one.
Yeah, I definitely like number 1 better than number 2.
If I would have to choose the dumpling itself, I don't like either, but I'll choose number 1 over number 2.